So it says, which expression has a factor of h plus 2? So we're dealing with quadratics, but basically they're looking for something times h plus 2 has to equal something else. So right off the bat, I noticed that it can't be b. And the reason it can't be b is 5 is a prime number. Now, what does that mean? That means that 5 is only the product of 5 and 1. So if there's, in other words, there is no number that I can multiply 2 by to get 5, right? When I go to do the grid thing, then maybe, I'm pretty sure it's A, but we're going to double check every one of these. So I notice that I have an H here and an H here, so I can factor out H, and I get 2H plus 1, right? So I'm doing the distributive property backwards. I've got H times 2H is 2H squared, and I've got H times 1 is H. So these two equal the same thing, but it's not H plus 2. That doesn't work. So now this one, I can actually factor out 2H, and I get H minus 2. Close, but it's not H plus 2, right? Now this one, 2 is also a prime number, by the way. So the only way I can get 2 is if I have 2 times 1. Now that's a big deal because when I go to do the grid, that means this number has to be 1. So in order for me to get a negative 2, I'd have to have a negative 1 here. Let's see if that works. H minus 1 times H plus 2. If I fill out the grid, I've got H squared minus H, and then a positive 2H, and then negative 2. Well, 2H minus 1H does give me H, so this is it right here. This is the answer. We'll put it in green so it's positive, I guess. Okay?